Now what you doing?
Just finished polishing this crankshaft. Now I'm washing it to get it ready to go in. I'm gonna start assembling this engine pretty soon. So just washing everything, run a brush through the oil holes. You can see stuff coming out. This is kind of an important step, getting all this stuff clean.
What are you spraying on it?
This is mineral spirits. I'm not spraying anything. What, I look like a skunk? What?
Everybody's going to think I fed you rooster this morning. You're so cocky.
Is that what you were thinking?
I didn't feed you this morning.
Nope. Maybe that's the problem.
Maybe that's the problem. Maybe I should have made your biscuits.
This crank here is cross drilled.
What does that mean?
It means it's cross drilled straight across the main like that.
Oh, it goes all the way through?
Yep.
And not all of them are?
No.
Why not?
Some of them are and some of them aren't.
Okay, makes sense.
This is one of them that is.
Does that make it easier to clean when they're cross-drilled like that?
No, just more shit to brush. Yeah, you want to make sure you got you a brush like this that fits tight in those oil holes, because you can see all that stuff coming out. If you don't get that stuff out of there, it goes right into your bearings.
And that's not stuff that's on your brush, it's actually stuff that's inside there?
Yeah, I think there's a little bit of, looks like a little bit of rust. I mean, I'm not positive, but that's kind of what it looks like is coming out.
Can you squirt it with WD-40 inside of it?
I could. What good is that going to do?
Well, it might loosen up some of that rust, wouldn't it?
What do you think this brush is doing?
Here's that. Not to complain or anything, but your oil kind of stinks.
Oil?
Or this mineral spirits.
Yep, it does. It's supposed to be odorless, but for some reason when it sits around and gets older, it starts to stink. I'm not sure why that is. Okay.
Okay. Good job.
That's what she said.
I know. Now that's just going to sit there and dry?
That's it.
Okay.